Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, then I'm Ruby here, and today I will share with you this beautiful bridal eye makeup. Since it's the season is going on of wedding and marriages, so this is a very ideal all-rounder bridal eye makeup. You can do it on your bride, you can do it on yourself, you can do it on your parties, if you're wearing a lehenga, if you're wearing saris, anything. This eye makeup look goes on everything. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on. So let's get started. So over here I have done my eyebrows and I have used a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in shade black color. And for the concealer today I'm using this Olivia Pancake in white shade. So I'll be using as a concealer as a base for my eye makeup. With the help of this blending brush, the brushes are from PAC pack. All the details will be given in the description box. So this is I'm hiding all my discoloration and all my pigmentation marks, if any, on my eyes. So first I will just conceal my eyes. I'll pack my eyes. Now I have used this scotch tape to give the accuracy of the eye makeup. So now I have taken this banana powder. This is a translucent powder from KRYOLAN in shade TL04. So now I have set the concealer with the powder. Here I am taking this brown shade. The eyeshadow I am using is PAC pack eyeshadow, and the brushes I am using is also pack. So this, I'm in love with this eyeshadow palette. They are beautiful colors it has. So as you can see, I'm using as my I'm applying it on my crease area, and slowly by slowly I'm taking it inwards also. And the same shade I am taking as a transition. As you can see how slowly and on a circular motion I'm blending it. So all this game is about blending. So all you have to do, you have to keep patience and do well blending to it. So I have picked up more products, and on my outer V area I'm depositing the product, and slowly I'm dragging the product towards my inner eye corner. But I'm just going on my crease. I'm not going below my lid area. So here I'm just bluffing it off very slightly. I'm holding it. Now again I'm taking the same palette. I'm picking up this black color with a flat blending brush. I'm picking up the product and I'm giving it a cornery area, as you can see. So I'm applying it only on my outer V area. Very slowly you have to pick up the product, very step by step, because I don't want to mess it up with the black color. The black color is a very solid color. You have to be careful with that when you apply it. So very light-handedly I'm applying it all over my lid, and I'm not applying it, not all over my lid, on my 1/4 of my lid area. So now I have taken the same blending brush. I have not picked up any product, but I'm just cancelling out my black color which there was a line on it. So I'm just cancelling it out. I'm just smoking out the whole harsh lines, if you can see. Now from the PAC shimmer palette, I'm picking up this dark golden color. It's like a bronze color, you can say. So I'm picking up this bronze color and I'm applying it on my 3/4 area lid where I have not applied anything. So I'm depositing the whole shimmer on that area. This is a small multi-purpose brush I'm using it. So for the glitter I'm using this Midnight Sparkle Swiss Beauty, and this chunk of glitter I am picking up. This is from a golden color, and from this applicator I'll be applying it all over my lid. Okay, this applicator helps us to apply it near our inner corner also, because with the help of the fingers we cannot do it. So now I applied all the glitter over my 3/4 of my lid. Now I'm picking up the same shimmer champagne color from the same palette, and I'm applying it on my brow bone area as well as on my tear duct area. See how beautiful glow it gives. It's a beautiful PAC pack. They have a beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I'm in love with this company. So it's a very good brand. So for the eyeliner I'm using this Maybelline liner. It's a gel eyeliner. So they are providing the brush also. The brush also comes along with it. So I'm applying it on my eyeline area. So very slowly and steadily you have to do. If you are a beginner, then I would recommend you go for liquid eyeliner. Otherwise gel is also perfect. So I'm drawing a very small liner. I'm doing it because I have a slanting eye, so I will not go very huge on the eyeliner. Once I'm done doing eyeliner, then I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal black kajal for my waterline area. So I'm applying it all over my waterline area. This area is called waterline area. So I'll be applying it all my waterline area. And now the same kajal I will be smoking out. So I'm taking this smudging brush. It's a small smudging brush. So I'll be smoking out the kohl which we had put, which we have applied. So this will give a very good and very subtle smoky effect, which I really liked it. So always I keep doing it in my video. This step I always do it. I never skip it. So my now I'm removing this tape. As you can see, this is my favorite part. I feel so professional whenever I remove this tape. So okay, now I'm picking up the same brown color which we have used earlier on my transition area and crease area. So I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm just going very light hand and I'm smoking out the black color also. So it will give an impression of a bigger eyes and a beautiful eyes. So for the lashes, I'm using this UROPARIS lashes, beautiful UROPARIS lashes they have. So with the help of the glue, I'm applying it over my false lashes. So guys, this is the final look. This I have done. Now I will show you this. You can see the difference from one eye to other, how different does the other eyes look. Now I will do the second eye as well. So voila, this is the final makeup I have done. Hope you guys liked it, and do comment below if you have done this makeup on yourself. This is a very beautiful all-rounder bridal makeup, because if you're wearing a golden lehenga, if you're wearing a golden sari, if you're wearing a golden cocktail dress, this eye makeup will give definitely go for this eye makeup. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please do share, please do like, and also comment below. And if you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Below there is a button, please subscribe to it. And if you have not, keep the notification bell on, as well for my latest videos. Till then, you stay safe and take care, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.